Good morning, artificial grass aficionados. How are we today? There has been a question in the group about pile height and whether it's for his children to play on and whether he should go for a 40 or a 30mm pile height. And I grabbed my sample box this morning and let's have a quick look at what difference sort of pile height makes. To be honest, the longer the pile height, here we have let me turn this round. Here we have a 45mm grass, nice and long. The problem with a long fibre, especially in play areas and things like that, is that there needs an awful lot of the fibre to support it, to keep it standing up. So if you've got it in your front garden, it can look long and it can look nice and no one really walks on it. But as soon as you start walking on it, those fibres will start to crush and bend over. So I've got two here that are both 30mm grasses. This one here, as I roll my thumb through it, you can't really see the backing particularly. It's a good thick 30mm grass. This one here, as I roll my thumb through it, you can actually sort of see down into it. You can see the backing. There is less fibre in here, and this is borne out by something called the face weight. The face weight or pile weight. The pile weight on this one is 1,125 grams. The pile weight on this one is 1,430 grams. There is more fibre in this one than there is in this one. All the fibres are the same height. There physically has to be more of it. So there's going to be more grass there to hold each other and to support each other and keep it looking good. Now, in my lawn, I've actually got a 4G, what the company sells a 4G. I can't remember, it's like 2 years ago that I bought this. The closest thing that I've got in my sample box is this grass here. Incredibly thick, very short. It's only 25mm in pile height. It's got 2,250 grams in actual fibre weight. So that is, you can sort of see it from the side as well, actually. Think like that. You can see the side there, look, an awful lot of fibre. This is the better landscape one, and then this is the cheaper landscape one. Doesn't necessarily denote quality because there's different types and shapes of fibres, but hopefully that helps, guys. That you're looking at the density of the product as well as the actual pile height. If you've got a low pile height with a low density, that will be a cheap and cheerful bit of grass, I tell you now. Okay,